Today, I want to talk to you about something that perhaps already lives deep within your heart. Something you have felt but never found words for. Today, I want to talk to you about daughters. A daughter. The moment you hear that word, something stirs inside you. Some of you will smile, some of you will feel your eyes fill with tears, and some of you will go quiet because you know what you did with that trust. We say a daughter is a trust we have squandered. This is not just a poetic line, this is the silent grief of millions of fathers, the unspoken shame of millions of brothers. This is the title of a story that was never written, yet every wall of every home knows it by heart. Think back to that first moment she arrived. Those tiny fingers, those innocent eyes, that first smile when she looked at you and your entire world shifted. In that moment, you whispered to yourself, "This child is my life. I will protect her from every pain this world holds." But then what happened? In the rush of life, under the weight of society, buried beneath the noise of other people's opinions, you forgot the promise you made to yourself. That child who was the light of your eyes, you did not give her the shelter she deserved. And this is the moment where we must stop. We must think, and perhaps we must weep. You may have heard the saying, when dogs lives inside the house, what danger is there from outside? This old saying is not about animals. It carries a wound deeper than most of us are willing to face. It means the greatest threat to a daughter does not always come from strangers in the street. Sometimes it lives under the same roof. Sometimes it sits at the same table. Sometimes it shares the same blood. And when you truly sit with that truth, it shakes you to the core. Every single day, somewhere in this world, a daughter is betrayed. Not by a stranger, by someone she trusted, by someone whose name she carried in her heart. And we look away. We say it was fate. We scroll past the headline and move on with our morning tea. No, that is not good enough. When Allah gave you a daughter, He handed you something sacred, a responsibility wrapped in love. That responsibility has a name: protection, dignity, and unconditional love. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that whoever has daughters and treats them with kindness, educates them, and gives them honor, he will stand beside the Prophet ﷺ in paradise. Beside him. Can you imagine a greater reward than that? But look at what we have done with this gift. In some homes, the birth of a daughter is met with silence and disappointment. In some homes, she is kept away from education because she will just get married anyway. In some homes, her voice is crushed before it even finds its shape. And in some homes, and this is the deepest wound of all, she is not safe from the very people who were supposed to be her guardians. This breaks the heart. I want you to pause right now. If you have a daughter, bring her face to your mind. That innocent face, those eyes that still look at you with hope, that heart that still trusts you even now, and you worthy of that trust. That question is hard, but it is necessary. The home where a daughter is safe is paradise. This is not a beautiful phrase, this is truth. The home where a daughter laughs freely, where she walks without fear, where she sleeps without worry, that home is filled with the mercy of Allah. But paradise does not build itself, you have to build it. Father, you are the first man your daughter ever saw. Your voice was the first male voice that shaped her understanding of the world. Your behavior taught her what men are. If you gave her love, she will know love's value. If you gave her respect, she will protect her own dignity. And if you gave her safety, she will walk into this world not with fear but with courage. Father and brother, two angels who hold the sky in a daughter's eyes. This is what she needs you to be. Not perfect, not powerful, just present, just kind, just consistent. Brother, you are her first friend in this world. The one friendship that was never chosen but was always meant. Listen to her, celebrate her small joys. Sit with her in her sadness. And when the world makes her feel small, make sure she knows that at least one person in this world sees how large her spirit truly is. I want to ask something of you now. Today, right now, in this very moment, if you have a daughter, go to her, hold her, tell her you are safe, you are loved. You matter more than you will ever know. And if there was ever a time you hurt her, even without meaning to, then today is the day to say sorry, because that little girl who looks at you, who has forgiven you 100 times in her heart, may still be waiting for the one moment when you looked her in the eyes and said, "Forgive me, I should have done better." These tears you feel right now, do not waste them. Let them be the beginning of change. Our daughter is mercy from Allah. Our daughter is a living prayer. Our daughter is a blessing that foolish civilization reject and wise ones hold close to their chest. So, what will you choose? Will you continue to squander this trust, or will you guard it with your life? Will your home be a place of fear or a place of peace? Will your daughter look back on her childhood and remember darkness, or will she remember the warmth of a father who loved her and a brother who stood by her? This choice is yours and it must be made today. May Allah give us all the strength to honor our daughters. May He gives us the wisdom to protect them. And may He turns our homes into the paradise they were always meant to be. Ameen.